Hi, fellow students and professor. My name is Carmen Price. If I were to say my ideal social work position in the future, that would probably be working with a family therapy agency in an outpatient setting. Um, I really want to work with family systems because I strongly feel that nobody develops or operates within a bubble. And I really feel that those who are around us the most affect who we are as human beings, both positive and negative. With that said, I'm so happy that social work is embracing a sex positive attitude. I think it's well past time, and I'm really happy to be entering the field as this movement is gaining momentum. Some of the things that I would do to try to be a sex positive social worker would be to be more inclusive in the language I use and in assessments. Um, as far as asking, what gender the client identifies as or how they would describe their intimate relationships. Um, I think we should not just assume nowadays that people are in monogamous relationships, or that's even what they choose for themselves. And by asking this question, we can be a lot more inclusive as far as not feeling like they're being discriminated against if a couple does happen to be polyamorous, um, or wants to learn about topics like that. With that said, I would also try to be a worker that feels comfortable discussing sexuality or topics surrounding intimacy, sexuality, those kind of things. That way, if a topic does happen to come up in therapy, hopefully me being comfortable discussing it would put the client more at ease discussing it. Um, and a lot of it is being more comfortable with discussing the topics, being comfortable with yourself, being able to be comfortable discussing it with other people. I think that's going to open the door to a lot of growth, both in our clients and in ourselves as workers. Um, and for my one burning question, I would pose this. How can we as a society empower, I think, everyone, but really in particular females, to embrace their sexuality more, to be comfortable with it? Um, I think as a society, we've kind of taught women, in particular, that they are not supposed to be sexual beings, that it is the male that's more sexual in our species. Um, so, how can we make it more comfortable for women to embrace their sexuality? Thank you, and I really enjoyed having class with all of you.